Hey y'all, it's Maddie and Tae.
And the winter box has sold out, but good news for you, it is back for a limited time only. We have got the winter boxes here, but not for long, so make sure that you come and join the fun. We have some of our favorite products that we've gotten all year in this box specifically.
Oh yeah, and we've got the hookup for you. You can use our code for $10 off of your box, which would make this box, which is valued up to $200, $39.99. So we are gonna help out them bargain gals.
Yes.
You ready? Should we open it?
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Y'all make sure to get you one of these because they're about to sell out quickly again. And we don't want you to miss out on the fun. Because these, I feel like this box is just packed with so many tried and true great products. Okay, where do we begin?
You go first.
I'm gonna go with my favorite product in the whole entire box. The makeup eraser. I had no idea what to expect with this thing, and Tay was raving about this, and I didn't realize it was going to come in our FabFitFun box. But it's basically this little towel, and all you do literally is put water on it. I know this sounds crazy. You put water on it, and it rubs off your makeup in an instant.
This is also the full-sized one. There's a mini one, but you're going to get the full-sized, which is awesome.
Because FabFitFun is all about full-size. No tiny little samples. It's all full-size products.
Yep. Okay, I'm pretty excited about the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler by Drybar. Drybar is just an amazing company, amazing product. They make great stuff. So this is a spray that you spray in your hair while it's stamped so that you can brush it through without any tangles, and it gets you ready to blow dry in style.
I am very excited about this R & Co shampoo and conditioner. We use a lot of R & Co products for red carpets actually, and I've never tried their shampoo or conditioner, but the scent is amazing. It's always like very fresh smelling. But this is, I feel like this duo here should probably cost you like $30 to $40, and this whole entire box is $39.99 with our hookup.
I love it. These lashes are from the brand Baddington Lashes. These look so fluffy, and it comes with like little glue so you can apply them. I'm really excited to try these out.
Speaking of lashes, I'm opening this Lash MD lash serum. Everybody always wants longer lashes and thicker eyebrows. So this is for eyelashes and eyebrows, just a little conditioning and to lengthen those lashes, honey.
All right, Thirsty Hands by Nails Inc. This is awesome. So it's basically 2 gloves that has a conditioner and like lotion inside that you stick your hands in, let it sit for about 10 minutes. When you take it off, your hands are so smooth and not dry. Really, really good for the winter because my hands get really dry.
This adorable little bracelet, Adore by Swarovski, fitting name, is so cute. There's a little Swarovski crystal right in there. And rose gold, I feel like, is so on trend for all seasons. So this is in the winter box, but can go for all seasons.
I'm pretty excited about this Erno Lazio New York Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. I love the packaging. It looks so cute. Let's see what it smells like.
Ooh,
oh my gosh, it's so cute and pink. I love pink. Oh yeah, that's great. This is so cute. I can't wait to try this out.
So I'm gonna switch to the color switch. This is such a cool little product. You basically, your dry makeup brushes, if you just wanna switch over to a different eye color or eyeshadow color, you just stick your brush in this little thing, swirl it around, the color's off, and then you dip into a new color. So you don't have to travel with 15, 14 different makeup brushes. You just use this little guy.
I love that. This is by the brand Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. How cute is that name? This is an eyeshadow palette, and it has basically everything you need. It's got your neutral tones and your sparkly tones for like the perfect smoky eye. I love this. I can't wait to try it out. Proof is in the pudding.
Can I swatch one?
Yeah, swatch it. Swatch it, baby.
To do this. Okay, I'm gonna do the butterscotch.
Yeah.
Let's see this. Let's see this little guy.
Oh, I feel like you could
so
use a lot of
pretty.
these as highlighters and then some as transitions. It really has everything you need. And the names are cute.
I know.
Almond jelly.
Spiced caramel.
Nana pudding.
Caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
I
say caramel.
Maybe that's a southern thing. This is awesome. This is a little calm and clean. It's a body wash and hand wash, so you can kind of use it for whatever you want, but it's very fresh smelling. It's with lavender oil, which is great. So many different benefits with lavender especially. You can put this on the kitchen sink for some hand soap, or you can use it on your body. I love a good versatile product.
I love Epsom salt.
2-in-1 thing. Yes, and some Epsom salt.
This is a vegan-friendly product. Love that. This is by the brand Frank Body. It's a coffee scrub. Oh my gosh, my favorite thing about coffee scrubs is the way it smells, and it really does get there and exfoliate. I love this. Lose the pants, you don't need them. Where we're going, destination, Babe Town.
Whoa!
Let's just get a whiff of this beautiful coffee
yay.
scrub.
See, I tried to do...
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so up next, this adorable, I love these little bags that aren't as long as like a satchel bag. I feel like this is so good for traveling, and this feels like I need to go on a ski trip or something.
Yes.
This is a lot of space in here.
That's so cute.
Love this.
Yeah, you
and
can
I
put
love
your
the color.
phone,
Very
wallet.
wintry.
Ooh, I also got the makeup eraser.
Isn't it awesome?
I love
This is
it.
my favorite product in the box.
All you need is water. Last but not least, I know, I talk about this candle all the time. I just love it so much. I had to get another, which is why I love this FabFitFun box, because I got to choose another one of these beautiful candles. This is by Jonathan Adler, the Fleur de Sel scented candle. I just love how sleek and wide it is, and it smells amazing. So now I have two for both sides of my bathroom. Like we said, y'all, this winter box actually sold out, but it is back for a limited time. And if you want to, you can use our code for $10 off, making all of this fun stuff only $39.99.
Yes, go get you one before this sells out. Again, this winter box is rocking. You are going to love so many of these products, as Tay and I do as well.
Yes.
Go get you one. Treat yourself.
The best part about FabFitFun is it's so much more than just a seasonal subscription box. It's the community. You get FabFitFun TV and great membership deals. So join in, y'all.